In this video, I'm going to talk about using Google to do your research. I'm sure you guys have used Google before. Maybe you've even used Google Scholar. Okay? I'm going to teach you a new trick to use Google to your advantage. So again, I'm doing a research paper on stem cell, and here it is, right? And you have a bazillion results. Okay? And so how can you tell if these articles or these pages are even credible? Okay? Like even here, it says .org. Right, .org. Can you really use this site as your source at a college level? Because remember, with MLA research papers, you have to have author's last name and page numbers, right? And so here, I mean, it's a .org, but where's the author and where's the page number? Okay, it's not there. So it's really not a credible site, even though it's a .org. So let me give you the tip. Okay. So this is what you do. You click on settings, you click on advanced search, and so right now you're searching for everything. So the file type says any format, so you're searching for everything. But that's not what we want to do. We only want PDF files, right? Because PDF file shows you page numbers. So you click on advanced search with the PDF file, okay? And so now what comes up is everything with a PDF file. Okay? But even within here, yes, everything has a PDF file. I'm just going to click on the first one and see what it looks like. Okay, I mean, this is great, but it looks like a pamphlet or something, right? Again, there's no author's last name, there's no page numbers, so you really don't want to use that. Okay, what you want to look for is right here. See right here where it says by, and it has the author's last name, and it also has a page number. I mean, right here, it has a year that was published, and it also says cited by 95. That means 95 other people, researchers who wrote their own research papers, okay, that were published, cited this article as one of their sources. So let's take a look to see what this one looks like. Okay, so this one looks like it's from a journal article. And so here are the authors, right? Lots of authors, and they all have like PhDs and MDs, so you know that they're credible. And does it have page number? Yes, it does, right here. Okay, and it looks like it was published in Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research. So this is the name of the journal article, maybe. Okay, and so this is exactly what we want. Yes, it looks like it's a journal article because it has a volume. Okay, and so that's how you find credible articles that has author's last name and page numbers. So again, let me show you how I did that. Right, so you type in the word. You have to type in the word. If you just go on Google, it doesn't even have the settings. So you have to type in the stem cell. Right, stem cell. Click on settings, advanced search. This is exactly what we want. Scroll down where it says file type. You don't want any format. We only want PDF files. Okay, and this is what you get. So again, go down the list, okay? This one has the author, right? It has the year. Okay, take a look at the year, right? Especially for articles like stem cells, right? It's, you know, this is 2003. It's almost 20 years old, right? Science changes. And so maybe, you know, this is too old. This is not something you want, okay? 2010, 1999. So you're just gonna scroll through and bypass it, go to the next page, okay? 2018, right? Sounds a little bit better, right? So we'll get 2020, even better. Okay, cited by 12. Okay, this one was cited by 253, right? You're like, wow, that's a lot. Maybe I want to take a look at it. Okay, so again, here's the article. Right here are the authors. Does it have page numbers? Yes, it does. Right here, 154, right? And so this is a credible source that you can use. So again, this is a really great way for you to shift through all of these Google websites, okay, and find the ones that you really need.